Greetings from Greece. We are Saba and Janni, and today you are invited to our big fat Greek kitchen. We did buy a feta cheese, real feta cheese that we have waited 7 years to buy. We only want to eat feta cheese while we are in Greece.
Let's dig in. What I'm gonna start is the hot things, and it's a halloumi.
Grilled cheese from Cyprus. We did not grill it because it's a fire ban here in Greece, but you can get kind of good crust with your camper van stove in it.
Yeah,
This is so minty and fatty.
yeah. No light version of this
No,
is not tolerated.
exactly. This is really good. Halloumi.
Halloumi is one of the tastes that I have wanted again. In summertime we get halloumi in Finland in grocery stores, but usually there is really hard to find these real Greek halloumis with lots of mint.
Yeah, they're always halloumi with a twist, like a chili flakes or some kind of herbs in it. And we would just want to have a halloumi with the mint, okay? Now we did it. Let's take a bread.
Yes,
And Greek olive oil is amazing, but we have a tiny flaw in our setup because this olive oil is bought from Spain. We still have it left.
yeah, but whenever we use this, we can buy the Greek olive oil to our van.
Exactly. But we do not discriminate. The olive oil we use is the extra virgin one, and we also cook in it.
Yes, we don't fry anything on olive oil, but we cook with it. Yeah.
Heat. And this is good too. I think the Greek olive oil is more
Bitter.
You can taste the green. This is more softer.
But we consume a lot of olive oil. I think something around 25 liters per year, at least. So we soak everything on olive oil.
Yeah, that's so true. And this pita bread is amazing tasting.
And everywhere we go, you see Greek people there sitting, walking, doing anything, working. They have always frappe with them.
In their hands, all the time. I think when Greek people are born, they have a frappe in their hand. And Joni, as a coffee nerd, can tell more about this.
Yeah, frappe is basically...
Oh, it's cold. It's not hot.
It's cold drink, yes. Either it's with milk or without milk. Basic ingredients are instant coffee, sugar, little bit of water, then vigorously shaking the coffee to make the foam, and then add either milk or water, whatever you like. I think both of are good, either milk or with water. This is with water because we don't have milk in our van at the moment, but
it's surprisingly good. It sits with the weather and sun shining. And, yeah.
I don't know if it's right because we have the brown sugar in here. Either they use white or brown, but I like more the brown taste, so
Yeah.
that's why we use it. And because the foam is made from instant coffee, which has no fat in it, it will stay here for the whole day, the foam. It's good that it is cold because it's so hot in here.
Yeah, and you can put tons of ice cubes there if you prefer.
Yeah, Greek coffee is basically almost the same or the same as Turkish coffee.
So very burnt taste.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
They have this really nice pot which they put on the really hot sand, and it will bubble and make the really nice strong foam to the coffee. I don't like it at all, but it has its fans,
Yeah.
for sure.
Good old Kalamata olives. Let's taste them. We have them also in our salads.
Of course, in here we use it in every place. I even put them I think it's not meant to use, but with meatballs. Kalamata olives with meatballs. It gives this salt flavor to it. I like it a lot.
Okay. Let's test the feta cheese.
Sarah has waited 7 years to eat feta again.
And funny thing about the Greek salad is there's no salad at all. There's 6 simple ingredients. There are cucumber, you should peel them. Then the feta cheese, it has to be this big block, you cannot chop it into cubes. Then there's olives, green peppers and tomatoes should be chopped quite large and they should be almost overripe. Yeah, and onions of course. And bunch of olive oil if you want to. Or vinaigrette, but never balsamico. Yeah, so if you are not into salads, you might love the Greek salad.
Yeah, Greek salad looks like somebody who is allergic to everything.
Yeah, and I think these cucumbers, we never peel them normally. They look like you are making food for the baby. Is the cheese good?
That fatty cheese. I think it's missing the Greek olive oil now. Now you can taste it. That the Spanish olive oil is not meant to eat with the Greek feta
Block.
because it's not giving enough taste.
Yeah, feta cheese is really strong flavor. But yeah, these are more like a meze type of tapas food that we are eating at the moment.
It's all that we actually bought from the stores and we just collected them here. And of course, during our Greek trip, we make a lot of Greek recipes. Try them out, usually looking for something that we can make a vegan version of it. And
Like vegan moussaka.
Yeah, vegan moussaka we already ate yesterday.
Yeah, because Lidl had it on sale.
So,
It was excellent.
yes, we ate it already yesterday and not filming.
Yeah,
that
we
time.
don't always film everything. But what would you add to this salad if you made it? Oh, is it perfect like this?
Greek olive oil.
Okay.
I think it's perfect. It's like fresh. I don't like either the salad because salad is not fresh. It's like a
Slimy thing, yes.
slimy thing.
That's one thing I would add to this, is the salad itself. Because now this is more like too much everything.
I'm a big fan of rucola and like this, not spinach but cabbage-like salads that are not salads. It would work in here.
Rocchette. To make it
Rocchette.
Italian.
Yes. Shame on me.
Yeah. I think the actual salad or maybe like pasta or something to make this more salad, like, I don't know. But it's good as it is.
And as you can see, we are just beside the sea. There's a lot of good calamaris and fish in Greece, so we will be delighted here in Greece eating different kind of fish and different kind of seafood.
Yeah.
Everyone knows that we love Spanish paella made with seafood, so we are like in home in here.
Yeah.
So I have
Makrillis.
here, and of course they are in oil.
Let's taste them. Oopsie.
Oopsie.
Greek people generally eat kind of healthy food because they replace milk, bread, potatoes, pasta and rice with the vegetables.
Yeah, we love it because your vegetables are great. We prefer vegetables than any other filling ingredient in your plate. So we are again in the right place at the right time. Yeah, and it's still like summerly vibe. Little bit cold in the shade. Yeah, it's winter, so the ground will give it the coldness, and also the sea. Well, everyone knows that we go swimming everywhere, even if it's ice cold water. but it's quite cold.
Yeah, it's cold and wet sometimes.
But yeah, seafood will be on our plate.
That's good, but it should be on the pizza, I think.
Okay, pizza.
Yeah.
I will taste it
With the bread.
because I love bread to put anchovies. Sardinis. I love to put sardines to my bread. It's like the thing that I do.
And I like to put my rice inside of the leaf. So let's test these.
Wine leaves filled with rice and something.
Yeah,
And it's in this brine.
really good sauce.
Okay. As you can see, we are fans of Lidl and Greek food. But Greek Lidl is good in that sense that it has the most Greek products or local products in the selection than any other country in Europe.
Yeah.
So when you
In
go
any other Lidl.
any other Lidls.
Yeah.
So when you go to Lidl in Greece, you get the local produce a lot in there.
Yeah. And I generally like the Greek food because everything is like half ripe and not so well grilled or
Yeah, we just came from the Bulgaria and Romania where everything is like burned.
yeah,
almost.
they burn everything.
I like it, but I think the
Vinegar.
in this like the sauce is not. It's mild. There's something
mild.
wrong.
Okay. Jani has started to like the vinegar.
Yeah, more vinegar.
Ooh. Jani said more vinegar out loud.
We will be really enjoying time in here. We are foodies and we go always to the grocery stores. It's the best thing ever. This time we have gone already to Lidl. Then there's AB stores, grocery stores, and
Carrefour.
Carrefours.
Yikes.
Yikes. Not so fan of those
Prices.
But yeah,
And local markets.
but it will be really nice time in here enjoying food. And because we are just beside Turkey, there are lots of Turkish foods in Greece. For example, meatballs.
Tzatzikis, Greek sauces.
Yeah, they love sauces and
Gyros.
Greek yogurt, which is our favorite. We always buy Greek yogurt when it's available. The taste of Greek yogurt is just perfect. So we are in the right place at the right time,
And it
eating
feels
right
amazing.
food. And this feels really amazing. We will continue now eating here,
And tasting all this.
tasting all this and enjoying and hoping that we can get Greek olive oil maybe next grocery store haul when we go. But it's hot, so when we have ate, we will go swim and enjoy the sea.
Thanks for eating out with us.
Yes.
Jos oli lämmintä, niin hirveä uimu. Se oli lämmintä. Ja. Noniin, nyt. Ei ne lähde pois sit aina.